smallmouth, guys. Hopefully it's not a pike. Feels like it could be. Nice, whatever it is. That's a pike, I think. Oh, nice bass. Oh, nice bass. Welcome to Water and Ice Outdoors. It's Tourney Saturday, and this is what we're dealing with. A lot of rain, hoping that it's gonna stop in about 10-15 minutes. We got a little band of thunderstorms and showers going through. We don't blast off for another, I don't know, 25 minutes or so. So hopefully this goes through and we can get out there and fish in peace. So we are on a lake very close to my house. I would say it's my home lake. Tough fishery, not a lot of big ones. You can catch a lot of offshore structure. So hopefully we're gonna get on them and find some big ones too. So stick with us. We'll see ya. Well guys, I'm sorry. I had to put you away. As you saw in the intro, it was raining like crazy and we blasted off anyways, so hopefully you can hear me. It's super windy right now too. I don't know how well my windscreen's doing, but honestly, you've only missed about 15 minutes, but I got a limit already. So got 5 fish. None of them are big. All of them are about a pound, but super nice to have a limit already, because now we can start targeting big fish. I'm on a main lake point here, and basically first cast fish, second cast fish, third cast fish, and I think 4 out of my first 6 casts I caught fish. So we're gonna stay here. Obviously we're working a school here, they're fired up, so I'm gonna keep fishing this, and then we'll start moving around to other deep structure, and I got a couple other spots that I want to try that I'm hoping to have some big fish in it. So stay tuned. We're on 5 already. Not really the right fish, but we're catching them, and maybe there's some bigs with them, but if we don't get any bigs soon, we're gonna move. Crappie for dinner. Yes! Yeah, baby! That's why we're here! Yes! Yes! Oh my gosh, what a great fish for this lake. Look at the frickin' belly on that thing. Oh. I'd say that's a call, huh? Wouldn't you? Sweetheart, you're okay. You're okay. Three and a half pounder, baby. That's gonna be huge. That'll call one. Hey, hey, hey. Are you done? Oh my God, just freaking take it easy, dude. Wow, this guy is tore up. Bigger than blue? Oh. Huh. Well, that'll help. Let's see what that bumped us up to. 10 pounds even. All right, guys, a little 8 o'clock update. We started out with a bang, and again, I'm sorry I couldn't have the camera out to catch that first school, and we caught 5 right away. I mean, I'm talking first 10 minutes. We had a limit, but they were all pounders, so 1.5 pounds to a pound. And so I moved spots. I caught about 10 there, moved spots, and went to a different main lake point and weed edge, and caught 2 fish there. One was like a pound, one was a short. I caught 3, and then one was a absolute stud, that 3.5 pounder. So I need a few more of those. It's not going to take a ton of weight to win out here. It's a tough fishery. There's a lot of bass, but it's tough to find, you know, 3-4 pounders. So even if I can just get 2.5s to 3s, I'll be happy. So we're gonna keep working this neko rig. That's what I've caught everything on, a black and blue neko rig, Yum Genie. It's a little bigger than your typical stick bait, and it's got a little bit of a flapper tail on it. So great bait. And the neko rig is just starting to get really good right now, and that bite will go through about August. So if you haven't tried it, give it a shot. But we're gonna get back and hopefully get some more weight. might be a decent one, guys. Not big, but better than we've gotten. Yep, it's a good one. Yeah, we'll take it for sure. Ooh. Oh, get in here. She's fat. She's fat. That's gonna help. That's a 2. At least a 2. Look at that. Look at that belly. That's what we want. I think that's gonna help us. We'll weigh him and see. Nope. £1.25, not gonna help. At least. That one should help. That one should help. Ooh, I needed that. It's probably only a £1.75, but I got so many that are £1.50. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. £1.90. That'll be a nice call if I can find them. Oh gosh. We gotta keep getting bigger ones. But all right, we are back home from the tournament. That was our 3rd event this season, and it went pretty well. We caught a ton of fish early on. I think I caught 6 fish in my first 10 casts. Just an epic start to the tournament. It is my home lake, so I expected to do pretty well, but it was a crazy start to the day. I couldn't have asked for a better start. It was tough to find size. As you could see, it was a lot of pound to 2 pound fish. Caught a lot of those on the neko rig right away. Caught a lot of them on the neko rig all day. I pretty much only threw the neko rig today. Then as the day went on, we moved to a different spot and I caught a 4 pounder. So that was the anchor point of my bag. Unfortunately, I couldn't find too many of those 2.5 to 3 pound bites. So that 4 pounder was huge for me. So with that, I won the big bass for the day. So that was nice to get a check again. And we finished in 3rd place with just under 13 pounds, which for this lake is about average. I'd say 14 or 15 pounds on this lake, you'd win just about every tournament. So nice to get a top 3 finish, nice to get paid again. And we are currently sitting after this event in 2nd place for end of the year points. So we got to keep that going, and hopefully we can do that. So if you haven't seen my previous videos in this tournament series, please check them out. I'll link them at the end of this video. And as always, thank you so much for watching Water and Ice Outdoors.